Hello, my name is Lina Maria Sierra Ramirez. I present the Step 3 pronunciation activity. The questions are 1. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? 2. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? 3. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? 4. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? 5. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? Question number 1. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? I did not eat unknown food. Question 2. What are the most visited your place or tourist attraction in your city? The tourist attractions most visited in my city are the beach, for example, Playa Blanca, and the domes, because from there you can see the lagoon. Also, you can eat and drink tea. This is the domes. It is very beautiful. Question number 3. What was the cheapest place you visit in your city? I have visited the ice cream shops in the park. I love to ice cream there with my family. Question number 4. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? What did you do? I visit Jaime Duque Park in Bogota City every day with my classmates. We knew the lions and snakes and we walked all over park. This is the Jaime Duque Park. Question number 5. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? I visited the Pozo Azul restaurant. In this place the dishes are expensive but very delicious. In this place there is a wonderful landscape. There is a wonderful landscape. This is Pozo Azul restaurant. Thanks.